Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys what products to avoid when doing product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where you can join my free weekly calls. And it's also a good place for you Amazon sellers to network with other sellers. So I'm going to post the link in my description below. And I hope you guys join. So with that said, this is how you guys do product research and find products to avoid for your business, right? So, first example is this product. So this one is, what is this? I don't know what this is, but I think it's a grocery product. Is it pasta? Yeah, I'm not sure what this is, but this one is a 2-pack product, and on the website or the supplier, it's sold as a pack of 6. So I would take this number, which is $16.98, and then get the price of a 2-piece, right? So this might be a little complicated for beginners, but I would divide this number by 6, right? So now $2.83 is for 1 piece, right? But this one is a set of 2, right? So now I would multiply this number, which is 283 times 2. So now the cost of a pack of 2 or a set of 2 is going to be $5.66, right? And then from here you run your numbers. So this one is giving you a 70% ROI. It's selling at 213 times a month, but the problem is it's a variation. So I would go down to variations tab here in Seller Amp, pick the variation, and then click on check. Oh, yeah. So this one is not working on Seller Amp. So I would go check out Keepa. So on Keepa, you do the same feature or use the same feature. So I would go to Keepa and then go to variations. And then from here, you would pick the exact variation of the product. So this one is a pack of 2, wait, pack of 10, set of 2. Yeah, set of 2 right there. Well, it's getting 100% of the sales, right? So this product is getting all the sales, which is 213 sales a month. I think this one is good, but I would just avoid this maybe because of the number of sellers, like too many sellers. Also, the ROI is pretty on the high side, which makes me a little suspicious about this product. Yeah, so I would just stay away from this one just to be safe because the ROI is really high. Yeah, but other than that, that's it for this product. So I would move on to the next one, which this one right here. So this one is a Da Vinci caramel flavoring syrup. This one is a Da Vinci caramel flavored syrup. So again, I would plug in the numbers. So the cost is $7.86, right? So under cost, I would plug $7.86. So it's giving you a 12% ROI, which gives you a red flag already. And then from here, this one is selling at 206 times a month. So it's also a variation. So again, I would go down to variations tab here in Seller Amp, right? Pick the exact variation, which is this one. It usually auto selects and check. So for this one, this exact variation, organic caramel, is getting only 3% of all the sales. So now I would take 3% of 206. So 206 times 0.03 is about 6 sales per month. So this variation is only getting 6 sales per month, right? And it's also giving you a low ROI. So yeah, I mean the compensation is pretty decent, but at 6 sales a month, that's pretty much on the low side, right? So I don't know about you guys, but I would stay away from products that are selling at 6 times per month with this much competition. So next product. So next product is I think, a hardware product. So the cost of this one is $11, right? Sale price is about $21.14. So $21.14. I mean, the ROI is already on the low side. So this one is already like a red flag, right? For us. Sales per month is 17 a month. And it's also a variation. So again, I would go down the variations tab here in Seller Amp. Pick the exact variation. It usually auto selects right here, 5x5, and then check. And it's not working again. So this one's not working. So again, I would go use Keepa. So I'll go to Keepa and then click on variations. And then from here, I would pick the exact variation. So for this one, this variation is getting 60% of the sales, right? So here's a variation right there, 5x5 size. Right here it says it's getting 60% of the ratings. So I would say 60% of 17, which is 17 times 0.60 is 10. So this product is selling at 10 times per month. And if you look at the competition, there's 13 other sellers here, right? So I'm not going to be sharing 10 sales a month with this many people on the listing. So to me, I would skip this one because it's not even giving you a good ROI, right? It's giving you a 10% ROI minimum, and it's only selling at 10 sales a month. So to me, this is not a good product to buy, and I would skip it. Next product. So this one is a Dyson remote control. Okay. So the price is $14.99. So the problem with this is that this product is out of stock, right? Right here. Availability is out of stock. So this one obviously we can't buy, so I would stay away from this. But here's what I usually do for products that I find that are out of stock. I usually make a list of products that are out of stock, because if it's out of stock, it's usually a hot seller, as my dogs are barking outside. Sorry. So it's out of stock. So I usually make a list of out of stock products because they're usually hot sellers. So I would circle back on this product every few days, because once it goes back in stock, it's probably going to be a hot seller. And if you look at the data, it's pretty good. It's giving you a 45% ROI, 47 sales a month. I mean, there's a lot of people on the listing, honestly, 25 sellers. So maybe I'm not going to consider this one because of the amount of sellers. But yeah, if you guys see a product that is out of stock, I would stay away from it. But I would circle back every few days though, because it might be a good product. So hopefully you guys got value from this video. And again, I'm going to post the link in my description below for you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group, where I do my free weekly coaching calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to join and network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.